Hi, this is Nana Sue, and we're learning how to do the first beginner steps of Minecraft. And I know you've been practicing W, go forward, D, go to the right, A, go to the left, and S, go backward. So you can move around and you can move your mouse around to have a look. So that's all good. And you would have been practicing your craft table. So what every time you start anew, you can see we have no inventory down the bottom, but lots of hearts and energy. So oh, when you see that little thing there, you just move forward. So we're just going to chop down some wood. Hope your chopping skills are pretty good now. We're going to make a crafting table. And we're going to make some tools. So we're going to get some wood. You see those little ones just move forward. We're chopping down the wood. And every time you get killed, you have to come in and start and do your chopping again. And we'll just get one more of these. Right, now we're going to go and create our crafting table. So we move all those up there. Everything that we've collected. Get our recipe book out. And the first thing is we create some planks. And now we can see we can create a crafting table. So we click on the crafting table and bring that down to the bottom. Do the E to come out. Now we've got our crafting table in 3. Hit number 3 so that we can pick it up. I'd like to, and then put it down. E. Whoops, we need to move a bit closer, don't we? There's a pretty little bee in the background there. So now we open it up and let's have a look to see what we can make. Remove that up there. So let's make some birch wood, some oak wood. We need to make some sticks. Aha! And now we can make a crossbow. Oh, no, we can't make a crossbow, but we can make an axe. So we'll grab that down there. What else? Let's see what else we can. We should be able to get some more stuff out of this. Make some planks. Leave that there. What can we do with that? No. Oh, we can make some stairs. Hmm. So I need. Hmm. Nope. Aha! Now we've got some sticks. So we need some sticks, and we should be able to make some additional items. We've got an axe, haven't we? Let's make a sword. We need some sticks for that. We need a pickaxe. Pickaxe is really useful. And these are all wooden tools. What else can we make? Let's get some more rods here. So we've got, we need a shovel. And what have we got? We've got the axe, we've got the sword, got the pick. Oh, that's the one we're missing. The hoe. See how you need your sticks down here? There we are, and we've got a set of tools now. Isn't that great? So we pick up our, whoops. We move forward and we pick up our crafting table. Always remember to pick up your crafting table. So we've got that back in one. Ooh, what's that there? Pick up some grass while we're there. So that's good. We've now got a set of wooden tools, and we can go next to create some stone tools in the next video.